Wrench to change the cabin air filter on a 2005 Mazda 3. First thing you want to do is remove this side plate here. It's on there with a little tab, flathead. You pull it out, then you pop this side trim panel off, so you can pull this panel off, which is the same as that side over there. Pull the tab out with a flathead screwdriver. Then you can lower your glove box and pull this trim here off. The ends just pop off, except for this end over here has the hook. So on this side, when you pull it out and you pull it in, you gotta hook it on first, then pop it in. Then you take the glove box out. The glove box has the light. Has a little light. There it is. It's hooked onto it. That's on there with one screw and a little clear piece. You'll see it. Then you pull the glove box out. Then what you want to do is under here you have the cabin air filter compartment. You can take these two screws out, and there's two up top, but you can get through those after you lower this. But for now, you can take those two off. Then you can lower your junction box. Here, all it is two tabs. You turn it, pull it down. Before you do that, you want to unloosen these two brackets, junction box bracket. One there, one there. That's with a 12mm socket. Unscrew that. Then you can pull these off. Well, not pull them off, you just twist them, and then the whole thing just hangs down. Then you move your bracket to the side. Move the whole junction box to the side. Then you have access to the top of the cabin air filter, which is back there. Then you can use your screwdriver, a little snub magnet tip works real good. Then pull those two out. Then there's a wire. Let's see if you can see it from here. There's this right here is a wire you gotta disconnect. Unplug that. Then this part right here just pops off. The two filters are in there. There's two pieces to it. Pay attention how you pull it out so you can put the other ones back in. And the reverse, put it to install it. Put everything back is everything in reverse. Just put the filters back in. Put your two top screws in. Clip that back in. Then you set your this piece here back in. Set the bracket back in place. Hand tight it. And then you can flip this up, because this thing just flips down. This thing just flips down after you unbolt these. Unbolt and flip it down. You can flip back up, put this back on. Then you can finish tightening your two bolts to the bracket. Put your other two screws right there. And then you put your glove box back on. You hook back up the light. Put your trim piece back on. Everything's in reverse, and that's pretty much it. Two things I forgot to mention. You got two screws right here for the glove box. One there, another one right there, and this other piece of trim goes right here. This is to access to the fuse panel. That also just pops out. See how it is. That's pretty much what's holding it. And that was it.